housewife. I just wanted to give you a quick hello. I am working on, or have been working on 3 projects that had several problems, and so it's been taking me a long time to post any of them. But I have 2 side tables that are done. I'll be posting that soon. It's just a matter of editing. I have an armoire that's almost done. It is spectacular, and I'm really angry at it, but I think I've figured out the last issue I've had with it, and that's going to be a real beauty. And then I also have another project that is ready to post as well. I'm waiting on one element to come in the mail, and then those will be ready. But so they're coming. In the meantime, I wanted to tell you this was a banner weekend for furniture for my husband and me. We went to Goodwill when it opened because I saw 2 nightstands, matching nightstands there that had the tag ripped off, and the manager said, come back when we open in the morning. If they're still there, I'll reprice them for you, which we did. They are beautiful, great buy, and they even marked it much less than I think they originally had marked it for, because I saw the original price on the back. They were $30 a piece, and he gave them to me for $15 a piece. Anyway, so I got that. Then we went to a garage sale, found these 2 very small Ethan Allen side tables, super cute, great for an efficiency apartment. So I'm going to be restoring those. Brought those home, and then we went out to some garage sales. I found an antique dresser for $10, and I don't know why. It is a beauty. So I have that, and it seems like and then today, Facebook Marketplace, I picked up these 3 nested tables. Now, I've already started washing them, and I figured out that if the smallest one and the middle one are on top of one another, nested, they are a perfect height for the largest piece. I'm going to be marketing them as 3 stackable tables, but also as 2 side tables with an additional table as necessary. So it's been wonderful. Very fun weekend, but it is hot and muggy and still, and I'm sweating, and you probably hear my fan going on. But anyway, those projects are coming up soon as well. So I'm gonna get busy finishing washing these nested tables, and then I'm gonna go in and work on that armoire. That's giving me so much trouble. Anyway, just wanted to touch base and say hello and indicate to you that I do have projects coming. It's just taken me longer than I had anticipated. So stick around, hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see them turned out, thunder, and give me a like on this video if you're looking forward to those projects. Thanks so much, guys. See you soon.